Hey there, future entrepreneur. Want to build your own online store and make real money from home in 2025? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down each step you need to start an online business that actually works. Let's cut through the confusion and get right to it. Step 1, pick a profitable niche. Choosing your niche is like choosing your lane in a race. You want something that's in demand, but not overcrowded. In 2025, micro niches are booming. Instead of fitness, think home gym gear for small spaces. The more specific, the better. Your niche defines your brand, audience, and product direction, so don't rush this part. Do your research and follow the data. Step 2, decide what to sell. Whether you're selling physical or digital products, your goal is the same: deliver value. Physical goods can be drop-shipped or self-fulfilled. Digital products like planners, courses, or artwork are profitable because there's no inventory. You could even bundle services with products. Think about what aligns with your niche and what your target customer would love to buy over and over. Step 3. Choose the right e-commerce platform. Your e-commerce platform is your digital storefront. Shopify is beginner-friendly and packed with apps. WooCommerce gives flexibility if you're already using WordPress. Wix and Squarespace are great for creatives who want simplicity with style. Consider cost, ease of use, scalability, and built-in features like email marketing and analytics. Your store should look good, but it also needs to work well. Step 4. Set up your store. Now comes the fun part: bringing your store to life. Pick a domain that's catchy and memorable. Use a clean layout that makes it easy for customers to browse. Add clear, high-quality product photos, and write benefit-driven descriptions. Set up tax rules, shipping zones, and payment options. Don't forget your About page and FAQs, these help build trust. Step 5. Handle logistics. Even if you're working from your bedroom, logistics matter. If you're dropshipping, choose reliable suppliers with fast shipping. For handmade or stocked products, invest in packaging that enhances your brand. Print on demand lets you focus on design while the platform handles fulfillment. Just be sure you clearly communicate delivery timelines and have a return process to keep customers happy. Step 6. Launch and promote. It's time to get eyeballs on your store. Start with social platforms where your audience hangs out. Use short-form videos to demo your products or show behind-the-scenes content. Run limited-time offers or giveaways to drive urgency. Email marketing is still gold. Offer a freebie to build your list. Be consistent, authentic, and responsive. Community and trust lead to conversions. Step 7. Track, optimize, and grow. The first version of your store won't be perfect, and that's okay. Use data to see what's working and what's not. Which products sell best? Where do visitors drop off? What ads perform well? Test different pricing, images, and layouts. Collect reviews and feedback. Growth is a cycle of testing and tweaking. The more you learn, the faster you scale. Bonus tip: use AI tools to save time. Let AI be your secret weapon in 2025. Use ChatGPT to write emails, product descriptions, or social captions in seconds. Tools like Canva AI can design stunning visuals fast. Add AI chatbots for instant customer support. Automation saves you time and helps you operate like a big brand without the big team. And that's your full roadmap to launching a successful online store from home in 2025. Remember, you don't need to be a tech expert or have a warehouse. Start small, stay focused, and keep learning. Like and subscribe for more smart ways to earn online, and drop a comment if you're launching your store this month.